Hello everyone, welcome to Catherine's ESL Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on suffixes and prefixes. So let's get started. So today's lesson, again, we will focus on prefixes and suffixes. What are they? Why are they important? 5 common ones. How to use them. And we'll have a summary so you can remember a little bit going forward. And you can always pause this video and go either forward or rewind. So remember, get your water and your pen and paper. So let's get started. Prefixes and suffixes. So what is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters we add to the front of a root word. Why is it important? Knowing about them may help you spell and predict meanings. Prefixes change the meaning or purpose of the word. For example, un plus kind equals unkind. You see how it changes the meaning or the purpose of the word? Kind, that's the key word, and un is the prefix. So, which makes it unkind. Does everyone know what that means? Well, I'll show you how. Here are some common ones. The prefix un equals not. The base word happy. The new word unhappy. The prefix re equals to do again. The base word write. The new word rewrite. Another prefix, dis, equals not or opposite. The base word agree. The new word is disagree. The prefix im equals not. The base word polite. The new word impolite. Now you're probably asking yourself, look, there's 2 knots. Well, here are 2 knots for the prefix, un and im. The prefix mis equals wrongly, badly. The base word behave. The new word misbehave. Now these are just 5 common ones, okay? There are many more. Prefixes are letters that are added to the start of another word. Happy, I'm happy. Unhappy, I'm unhappy. You see the prefix un? Unhappy means sad. See how it means not happy? So unhappy means not happy or sad. We use un to change the base word happy to mean the opposite. Happy, unhappy, or not happy. Afraid, unafraid, or not afraid. Broken, unbroken, or not broken. Lucky, unlucky, or not lucky. Prefixes are letters that are added to the start of another word. Now you'll see me repeating this so you remember. Write. Hello, students. I write hello, students. Hello. Rewrite. Hello, students. I rewrite hello, students. We use re to change the base word write to mean to do again. Write, rewrite. So to do again, or repeat writing, or do it again. Appear, reappear, or it could be peekaboo, reappear, do again. Play, replay. So when you pause and then you rewind this video, you are replaying it. You're doing it again. Name, rename. Rename, to do again, you could change the name. Prefixes are letters that are added to the start of another word. Agree. I agree with you. Yes, you are right. Disagree. I disagree with you. No, you are wrong. We use dis to change the base word agree to mean not or do the opposite. Agree, disagree. I don't agree. Appear, disappear. I'm no longer here. Say I left. I disappeared. Honest, dishonest. Does anyone know what the synonym for dishonest is? They don't tell the truth, or they are a liar. Remember that from our synonyms, or our antonyms? Obey, disobey. Uh-oh. Prefixes are letters that are added to the start of another word. Polite. You look beautiful. You are very polite. Impolite. You look ugly. Uh-oh. You are very impolite. We use im to change the base word polite to mean not. Polite, impolite. Possible, impossible. Perfect, imperfect. Patient, impatient. So did everyone get that? Im means not. Prefixes are letters that are added to the start of another word. Behave. You must behave in class. Misbehave. You must not misbehave in class. Well, it looks like this child is very tired, but he does look like he was studying, but I don't think it's a good job to fall asleep in class. Do you? We use miss to change the base word behave to mean wrongly or badly. Behave, misbehave. Spell, misspell. Use, misuse. Pronounce, mispronounce. So here is a summary, okay? Did everyone remember what the 5 prefixes that are common here? On, what does that mean? Not. We have the base word happy. So what makes the new word? Take on plus happy. What does that make it? Unhappy. Re, what does re mean? To do again or repeat. Write, So what happens to the new word? Re plus write equals rewrite. Dis equals not or opposite. The base word agree. So what's the new word? Dis plus agree equals disagree. Equals, what does that mean? It's the same thing as one of the other ones. Not. The base word polite. Plus polite equals impolite. The prefix miss equals wrongly or badly. The base word behave. What is miss plus behave? Equals misbehave. So this is a nice summary, right? I hope you liked it. So now let's work on suffix. What is it? A suffix is a word ending. It is a group of letters you can add to the end of a root word. For example, walking, helpful, happily. Why is it important? Adding suffixes to words can change or add to their meaning, but most importantly, they show how a word will be used in a sentence and what part of speech. For example, noun, verb, or adjective the word belongs to. Okay, so walk, ing, help, ful, happily, okay? We'll learn a little bit more, no worries. Common ones, okay? We're going to do 5 common ones. The base word celebrate, it's a verb, plus the suffix ion. The new word is celebration. So the verb becomes a noun. Look at that. The base word home, it's a noun. You add the suffix less. Now the noun becomes an adjective. The new word is homeless. The base word enjoy, it's a verb. You add the suffix able, and the new word is enjoyable. It becomes an adjective. The base word loud, it's an adjective. You add the suffix ly, and the new word becomes loudly. So the adjective turns into an adverb. Color, the base word color is a noun. You add the suffix ful, full. The new word is colorful, so the noun becomes an adjective. Suffixes are letters that are added to the end of another word. Celebrate. Let's celebrate New Year's Eve. Celebration. Let's have a New Year's Eve celebration. We use ion to change the base word celebrate from a verb into a noun. Celebrate, celebration. Collect, collection. Pollute, pollution. You see how all of these are turning from a verb into a noun by adding the suffix ion. Vacate, vacation. Suffixes are letters that are added to the end of another word. I want you to remember, suffixes are letters that are added to the end of another word. Home, we have a home. Homeless, I don't have a home, I'm homeless. We use less, less, to change the base word home from a noun into an adjective. Home, homeless. Fear, fearless. Sleep, sleepless. Pain, painless. See, all of these change from a noun to an adjective. Suffixes are letters that are added to the end of another word. Enjoy. I enjoy watching TV. Enjoyable. TV is enjoyable to watch. We use able or able to change the base word enjoy from a verb into an adjective. Does everyone remember what a verb is? It's an action. Remember, enjoy, enjoyable. Wear, wearable. Break, breakable. Like, likable. You see how all these verbs change into an adjective by adding the suffix able? So remember, a verb is an action word and an adjective describes a person or place or thing. Suffixes are letters that are added to the end of another word. Do you remember now? Loud. The girl was loud. Loudly. The girl shouted loudly. So guess what the base word is and what did it change to by adding the suffix ly? Can anyone guess? We use ly to change the base word loud from an adjective into an adverb. Loud, loudly. Quick, quickly. Slow, slowly. Brave, bravely. Suffixes are letters that are added to the end of another word. Color. That rainbow has a lot of color. What do you think? Colorful. The rainbow is very colorful. We use full to change the base word color from a noun into an adjective. Color, colorful. Wonder. Can you guess? Wonderful. Respect, respectful. Peace, peaceful. Here's a great summary of all the suffixes. Does anyone remember the 5 suffixes that are common in this lesson? Does anyone want to guess? Base word, celebrate. Do you remember what the suffix was? It's a verb. So what happens to the verb when you add celebrate and ION? What does it become? What's the new word? Celebration. So what does the verb turn into? Noun. Did you get it? Base word, home. So is that a verb, noun, or an adjective? It's a noun. So when you add the suffix, list. What happens to home plus list? What's the new word? Homeless. So what does home and homeless turn into? Is it a noun? Nope. The noun turns into what? Adjective. The base word enjoy. What is that? Is that a noun, a verb, an adjective? It's a verb. You add the suffix able. So what's the base word plus suffix? Enjoy plus able equals enjoyable. So what does that turn into? Verb to adjective. Base word, loud. What is that? What part of speech is that? Adjective plus the suffix. Does anyone remember? Ly. Loud plus ly equals loudly. So the Base word loud turns into what? What part of speech? Adjective turns into adverb. Now, as a little trick, anything that ends with ly turns into an adverb. What is an adverb? It describes the adjective. Base word, color. It's a noun. You add the suffix full. What does that turn into? What's the new word? Color, full. So the color, base word, noun turns into what is the new word? Adjective. Wasn't that fun? I hope everyone enjoyed it. So thank you very much. And the end. So remember, if you need to pause it and rewind, what does that mean? Repeat. Remember, redo, do it again. So congratulations, everyone. And until next time, bye.